Okay.
Hey, this kid.
Minnesota!
Oh my God, Twins jersey.
It's Minnesota!
Twins jersey.
Andover, Minnesota.
Dude.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Walmart.
Yeah!
We're in the Walmart parking lot. We're right here.
200 yards! Yes, you motherfucker!
Bro.
It's Boston.
No.
It's Boston.
Bro, this is Woodbridge, New Jersey.
No, it's not.
You're just saying Boston based
No,
off the red
no,
trucks.
don't, no,
based off the red trucks.
No!
You're saying it.
No! No!
20 miles.
Bro, it's Duluth, Minnesota.
Shut the fuck up.
Duluth, Minnesota, Duluth.
Is that even a real...
Dude, Duluth, Minnesota. Bro, Tempe, Arizona. I'm going Tempe. I'm going Tempe, Arizona, babe. Tempe, Arizona. What does that say right there?
City of Tempe?
Right now?